Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Tamagotchi and virtual pets that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Tamagotchi Uni. The Tamagotchi is the crown jewel of virtual pets, and their latest generation builds on what makes Bandai's Virtual Bud so successful. With a full color screen, you can brush, bathe, and feed one of 20 pets based on new and popular characters. They also each have their unique personalities that affect their personalities and behaviors. With an included pedometer, you can go on Tama walks with your little virtual friend, collecting items and crafting materials to make clothes to fit your style. At the Tama Arcade, you can also earn materials by playing mini-games. There's also an online portal that lets you race, play against, or even date other people's Tamagotchis. And to keep your device safe, it comes with an included wristband allowing you to wear your friend like a watch, and a rechargeable battery that connects with a USB-C cord. Though it's pricier than a lot of the other virtual pets out there, the Tamagotchi Uni gives you everything you need to form an attachment and connection with your new digital friend. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Bitzee interactive digital toy pet. Using a flapping strip of LEDs, the Bitzee creates a hologram-like effect that makes your pet look like it's standing in 3D space. The Bitzee's unique display is combined with a touch strip in front of your pet, allowing for unique and surprising modes of interaction. There are 15 animals to collect that can be interacted with in unique ways, like petting them, tilting them back and forth to rock them to sleep, or by touching the sensor bar in front. Playing with your Bitzee fills its love meter, allowing it to evolve from a baby into an adult and then eventually a super Bitzee, which adds a unique game and a treat that attracts another Bitzee. You can always swap between every Bitzee you unlock. At number 3, we have the Tamagotchi Nano X Jurassic Park 30th Anniversary. There are multiple different collaborations between Tamagotchi and other brands, but only one lets you fully raise a dinosaur. This collaboration for Jurassic Park's 30th anniversary allows you to hatch one of 20 different species of dinosaur that you grow over time. Carnivores like the T-Rex can be fed fish and meat, while herbivores like Triceratops get to munch on plants and berries. 3 unique mini-games have you picking between eggs, running from an angry carnivore, and catching food. It may not be as technologically advanced as some of the more expensive Tamagotchis, and its tiny sunken screen can be hard to see, but it's still perfect for anyone who wants to have a dinosaur friend hidden in their pocket. At number 2, we have the Bandai Namco Vital Hero Digimon. If you'd rather wear a virtual pet that encourages you to exercise, then the Vital Hero is a great virtual pet. With a plastic bracelet to attach to your wrist, the Vital bracelet lets you embark on missions to strengthen your virtual pet. The LED screen allows you to check on its step counter, heart rate monitor, and different exercise prompts. The app interacts with the Vital Hero through an NFC reader, allowing you to store spare monsters and mission progress. To change virtual monsters, you can purchase different DIM cards offering unique monsters and evolution pads that strengthen your creature. If Digimon isn't your style, there's also a Batman option that lets you put the Caped Crusader in different outfits as you level up. And finally, at number 1, we have the Tamagotchi Original. The original Tamagotchi from 1997 is back exactly how you remembered it. Available in 45 different colors and outside shells, its inner mechanics are perfect for ages 8 and up. Feed, heal, clean up, or play games with one of 7 types of digital pets on a handheld black and white screen. If its beeps and boops start to bother you, you can turn off the sound or light, but do that at your peril since that could spell doom for your buddy.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon